This is Lorenzo from Strada, and I'm showing you this fully upgraded 2-bedroom apartment available for sale in Southridge Tower 5. To our left from the entrance we have the kitchen, leading on into the spacious living space. The apartment is currently tenanted. From the living space we have access to the balcony overlooking Burj Khalifa and Old Town. To our right hand side, the guest powder room. Both bedrooms do come en suite with fitted wardrobes. An ensuite for the guest. Here we have utility and storage space. And finally into the master bedroom. Really good sized master with feature wall and fitted wardrobes. Ensuite bath with walk-in shower and finally walk-in wardrobe. If you would like to view, please contact me on the details provided.